Chapter 9, Lesson 1, Powers and Exponents. Okay, so first we're just going to look at some definitions. So when we talk about an exponent tells us how many times a number is used as a factor. When we talk about a power is a number raised to an exponent, and the base is the number that is multiplied. So when I look at a power, for example, 3 to the second power, 3 is the base, 2 is the exponent, and the whole thing is the power. All right, so for example, if I'm asked to write these as a power, I would write, okay, well, I'm multiplying the 8, it's my base, and I'm multiplying it 4 times. For this one, I would say, okay, -3 is my base. It's important that I keep it in parentheses, and we're multiplying it together 6 times. All right, again, 2/3 needs to stay in the parentheses, otherwise my power only looks like it goes to the 2, and it's to the 5th power. And down here I have a bunch of different things. I have just one 3, and then I have 3 m's, so m to the 3rd power, and I have 6 n's, so n to the 6th power. All right, now any number that I raise to the 0 power always equals 1. So 5 to the 0 is 1. -2 to the 0 power, 1. 1/2 to the 0 power, 1. It doesn't matter what kind of number. X to the 0 power is 1. All right, remember, if I'm asked to evaluate something, all right, to evaluate means to do the math. So you need to do everything that you can to finish the problem. Remember PEMDAS, so our order of operations, our parentheses, exponents, and then multiply, divide, and then add and subtract. All right, so I'm going to do these 2 examples. I have 3 to the 5th power, so it means I'm going to do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So I can do that on my calculator. Okay, so I do that on my calculator, and I get 243. So evaluate means I actually need to do this multiplication. Okay, so down here I'm going to do 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So I have 4 times 9 times 5. So I have 36 times 5, which is 180.